Hi, second grade. This is your directions video for your week 4, day 1 packet. And we wait for the computer. Okay. For day 1, we are going to do, I'm going to have you do the story Rollercoaster page. You can do this page with any book that you have read recently. It can be a picture book or a chapter book. I want you to, if you have already read it, just fill out what was the problem at the beginning of the story, why was it a problem, how was the problem solved at the end, and then here in the middle, who were the main characters and where does the story take place. Remember, that's the setting. Then for the next page, I'm going to go ahead and let you cross out this page because we are not going to do it this week. And the next page is going to be the same. You're going to cross out this page. I am going to have you do the internal weather report. It's about your feelings. So looking at yourself and looking at the weather, sometimes the weather can affect your emotions, or your emotions can kind of seem like the weather. So it says when you're kind of looking at your body, how do you feel about it? Are you happy and sunny? Are you a little sad and rainy? Does it look like your body is kind of mad, maybe like a storm? Observing your mind. What's in your mind? Are you very confused? Are you very happy? Are you sad? Do you have lots of emotions? So maybe you're kind of windy, like sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad. You kind of choose what you think, maybe partly cloudy. And then checking in your heart, what do you feel like your feelings are? And then you have to draw what weather you are experiencing right now. And then what might you do if you want to change the weather? Mrs. Ackerman wrote down on maybe scanning my body, I noticed that I am partly sunny because I would like to be outside, and last week when I was doing this, I had to stay inside. And so I was kind of dressed. I wasn't dressed very nice. I was just dressed lounging, and so I felt like I was just partly sunny. And then observing my mind, I also said partly sunny because I was stuck inside and I wanted to be outside. So although I wasn't sad or anything, I still felt like my attitude maybe could have been better. Checking within my heart, I said I'm still sunny because I know that I am thankful for a lot of things that I still have. And so I drew a picture of a sun and some clouds because I said I was partly sunny. And then what might I do to change the weather? I said I need to go play outside and quit worrying and stressing about things. So you can kind of see how Mrs. Ackerman chose to do this. You can choose what your emotions are and show me how you are feeling today. And then on this page, you're describing yourself. So they have some examples down here for you. Some things could be like funny, adorable, enthusiastic, tall. Tall is something like that you can see, so maybe you're short or something like that. Blue-eyed, I put that I was brown-eyed because I have brown eyes. Friendly, adventurous, helpful, cheerful, thoughtful. Maybe you have brown hair, you're short. Mrs. Ackerman said that I am short. Brown hair, I'm brown-eyed, I'm happy, a food lover, talkative, helpful. Sometimes I can be impatient and worrisome and friendly. So those are all the things the way I described myself. And then on the next page, you have to write about yourself. So I said, hi, my name is Mrs. Ackerman. I am short. I have brown eyes and hair. Usually I am happy, friendly, and helpful. Sometimes I can think of fun things to do. I can also worry a lot and can be a little impatient. I love to talk to other people, and I am a food lover. I love to eat. So you're just describing things about yourself. I would like for you to have a complete sentence with 6 words in the sentences, and I'm going to say I would like for you to have at least 5 sentences describing yourself because you wrote down 10 things about yourself before. So I think you could write 5 sentences with 6 words in them. Make sure you have capital letters and end punctuation marks. And then the last page for this day is your math page, and you have to answer the questions on these, and then you can use the highlighter tool to color in the picture to see what it looks like. That is your day 1, week 4 directions. So I would like for you to know that you have to pay attention closely to these directions so you make sure you do these right, and use Mrs. Ackerman's examples as help if you need them. Okay, you can message me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.